Alright, who's ready to try some foods from Poland?
I want to eat some foods from Poland.
What? I thought you said it was from New Guinea Pig.
Yeah.
Look at it!
Holy shit!
Tapsy?
Tapsy. Okay, so this is Tapsy,
They look like they've
Zimniaczine.
already been eaten.
It has 0 smackoos.
Oh, zero smacku.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That's the flavor of it.
Legit.
So tell me if this tastes like Sirwowu Sebilwin.
I'll take a potato chip and eat it.
Yeah, it totally tastes like Sarapsi Solvi Unija Wim.
It also kind of tastes like cheddar and onion.
I get the cheddar out of it.
Yeah, so it tastes like Sarapsi old
You don't know what you're saying.
Ow! Oh God!
Those are some long ass pretzels. Those are pretty good.
No, Haluski.
Dude!
Bucket pretzels. Leave them in there. Save them for later.
God, this one was under my nuts.
Haluski. Pretzel sticks. What do they taste like?
Pretzel dicks.
Those suck the moisture out of your mouth, so time to try this drink that most definitely got shaken up now.
Awesome.
It's called Helena Orenzata U! Because it's an exclamation mark.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, open that shit and take a drink and see if it tastes like Orzerna Wimit tea.
It's chocolate milk flavored.
What?
What do Poles like? Polish? What do you call the people from Poland? Poles?
I'm gonna say grape. A lot better than the last drink we got.
Last drink we got was just bubblegum.
It was a lot better.
It's grape-ish.
It's pretty sweet. Alright, let's throw some sweetness in here.
What the?
Wait. Before you tear up the packaging, it's E. Wedlove.
Wedlove.
Sponge cakes with raspberry jelly and dark chocolate.
Awesome.
Catch!
What the?
No, not the pocket one.
It's not bad, but I don't like the raspberry.
We had something exactly like this in the last crate.
But it wasn't raspberry flavored. It was different.
Quit going for my nuts!
Go!
Jesus.
You lost one.
Femmelagin or Femmelhin.
I bet you it tastes like coconut.
Waffle wafers with coconut flavored cream.
It is coconut flavored.
These are the wafer things that you can get at like dollar stores and stuff.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's a cheap snack.
I just don't like the cocoa nut.
She's not in love with the cocoa.
Nut.
I hate that song.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Chew your food, bitch.
Blaze, what the fuck?
This is not a joke. I did not put this in there. These are paprika flavored Lays, which you will not find here in the Americas. These are actually got to be one of my favorite Lays that I've ever tried.
With 0 smacku.
Well, this one has 0 smackoos too? Holy shit.
Poland Lays are better than American Lays.
Not very good. Petite puree. You bitch.
Herbachniki extra groob.
Extra group. Oh,
It tastes like they got extra groove in them.
that's more of a vanilla bean flavor.
Vanilla bean. What the hell?
Shove it in your mouth and eat it.
Shove it in your face.
I taste cinnamon.
Oh god, definitely a gingerbread cookie.
There you go, ginger. Not cinnamon.
Yeah, it's usatki.
Sugar-coated Pyerniki. Why is sugar-coated on there right?
Uh-oh.
Chocolate covered worms.
Here, have a chocolate-covered worm. They look like potato wedges. Oh,
Those are gross.
oh, why did I stick that whole thing in my mouth? Ugh.
Now, I don't think they're that bad. I believe it's plums, jelly, and chocolate because the Polish people love plums. That's a fact. This one is Tassie Mlexico, and it's also vanilla flavored.
Vanilla?
That one's not bad.
It's like a soft, squishy marshmallow.
Covered in chocolate.
Here you go. This one's called Aha! It is called Aha! It's also by E. Weddle.
Sezamki.
I don't like this very much.
It's not very.
It's like peanut brittle, but with sesame seeds instead of peanuts.
Yeah, which is way worse.
Yeah, it sucks.
This is absolutely disgusting.
Yep. I can never eat another bite of that.
Let me pick something that we're gonna love. I'm just kidding. I picked something we're gonna hate.
Oh god.
It's a chocolate covered plum.
Seriously? There's
Yep.
only 2 of them?
There's only 2 of them. Lala Darstmast Slupka.
Not much different than the last one that was plum. And I barely got any plum with it.
That's because you didn't bite any plum.
Oh my god.
He got all the plum.
I was kind of expecting a chocolate covered cherry,
No.
but there's no like liquidy stuff inside of it. It's all just
A plum.
giant plum covered in chocolate.
Wow.
It's not great.
That
Grzeski.
said goat free.
Grzeski, go free. Ready? Okay. It's like one of the better wafer snacks I've tried.
Shrimp steak.
Coco.
Nut.
You suck.
You got one wrong with me, bitch. That's pretty good.
Is it like a Twix or 100 grand?
No, it looks
It's
more
like
like a
that Rice
crunch bar.
Krispie thing that we had last time.
It just tastes like a really thin 100 grand.
Kazing! Won't it?
And then.
And what?
Okay, so you have to know the difference between these two. This one is Princessa. That one is Prince Polo.
Whoa.
This one is by Nestle. That one is by
Olza.
Huzzah.
In Poland, you either prefer Princessa or Prince Polo. It's a race war between the two.
This is gonna be interesting.
Jesus Christ, guys, I got the 2 giant pieces. So Princessa is the lighter one, right?
Yes.
And Prince Polo is the darker one. I think the difference is gonna be milk chocolate and dark chocolate.
I really dig that Prince Polo.
I'm torn.
Nope, I'm all about the Prince.
The darker one is Prince, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, Prince. I think I really like this. This one's way better.
They're both pretty damn good.
Maybe this will help make up our mind. A second Prince Polo.
Holy shit, Prince Polo! This must be mint.
Orzenchawa. Chowie.
See, Prince Polo's gotta be the better one. This one's a lot lighter.
You're a bitch. What is that?
I don't know. It's got a really familiar taste, but
This one's my favorite of the 3.
Is this hazelnut?
no, but it does have a nutty
Me.
taste to it.
Yeah. This one.
Bastard!
Danusia!
This just looks like a classic candy bar. I'm guessing it's chocolate. Oh, and it's filled.
Okay.
Kind of fudge, I'm guessing.
Ugh.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
disgusting. It's got like chunkiness in it. It's not smooth throughout the whole thing. Well, anyways, what do you guys think about it?
It's not
Oh,
bad.
yeah. Here's dark chocolate, though.
Wobble!
What's it called? Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Krakowi.
Krakowi.
Crowy.
Malexny.
That one's my favorite.
I do like the caramel that they put in there.
It's
It's different than
It's
here.
like buttery.
Mm-hmm.
It's a giant candy bar. Looks like a Dove bar or a Ghirardelli bar. Tiramisu flavor filling. You ever had tiramisu?
Nope.
Not that I'm aware of. Not half bad.
That is extremely flavorful, but mostly like a coffee, but a raspberry. That was crazy.
That was good. I really like that one actually. It also has 0 smackoos.
Zero smackoos!
I think what we can say about this one, other than the UK, the Polish food was way better because there was no outlier that was way worse. That was just disgusting, like the Twiglets.
That's true. The Twiglets were terrible. Oh my god.
I'm in their black licorice bullshit.
And these ones
Yeah,
actually
and it
taste
had a lot of black.
Yeah, that's true.
A lot of black licorice. Most of these, I think the worst ones were probably like maybe the gingerbread because it was so stale. Well, okay, so the plums and the chocolate weren't that good either. Never something I would go to the store and buy. But it's not like it was a horrible experience. I didn't want to spit it back out like I did the Twiglets.
Yeah.
It was a pleasant experience. I enjoyed all of it. Poland beats UK in snack foods.
Poland, you're winning.
All right, I'll see you guys later.
I'm done. Fuck off.
You never want to
As
be
long as
around
a loose
people who
screw in
love
their
black
head.
That's true. You got a good point there.
Hang out with people who do drugs. Do not hang out with people who eat black licorice.
Facts.